Hey, what's up, Flitz fans? It's Graham here from Team Flitz. I'm in wonderful Wind Lake, Wisconsin at the awesome Be Lazy Bar and Grill for their car show. Flitz has been part of this for the last couple years. It's always a great time, awesome cars, and I'm here with the owner, Debbie.
Hey guys, we're glad you could all make it out tonight. We got the VFW veterans walking around. They're doing a 50-50 raffle. We have our 2-year anniversary party coming up this Saturday. And don't forget, we have our trunk or treat, third Saturday in October, 1 to 3. You can bring your car, bike, hand out treats to the kids. We hope you can enjoy our outdoor bar and patio. Hopefully we have it open at least another month, if the weather cooperates.
This is always a great time. They have awesome food. So if you're in the area, come on out, check out Be Lazy Bar and Grill. Take it easy.
Okay, well, this is a 1963 Ford Falcon. It was built in Texas. I bought it out of Beloit, Wisconsin. It's got a monster motor in it. It's built to go fast. It's a full roll cage car. It's actually what they call a pro street car. And I've been shining on this thing with Flitz, and I love Flitz products. They're great products. And what much better than this? This is it. This is the best look I can ever get out of it. Flitz is a great product. I've used it. I have a Malibu SS, black car. I use Flitz on that too.
If he's out or in, I don't know. I would think if it's nice, he'd be out.
Go ahead. Hey, it's Mojo over at the Be Lazy Diner. Not the diner, but the bar now in Wind Lake, Wisconsin. And we were just looking around here at some of the cars, and the Flitz representative stopped by me, and I have a few things to say about Flitz. It's a good product. It did some, got some little rub down over here and on the other side where we were able to get the scratches out, and it really worked. The old timer that ran the company, he's deceased right now, but he was the guy that really spent 20 minutes rubbing it down, and we got it all cleaned up. And I'd use Flitz. I recommend Flitz to everybody. It's a good product. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Brian Coleman, and we are at the Be Lazy Bar and Grill this evening. I'm doing a little promotional work for Flitz polishing. We use our products exclusively on the car. And they really do. The products are just unbelievable. And we're just hanging out here, having some food, having a few beers, and just taking it easy, enjoying all the cars. It's a beautiful night tonight. Perfect weather, no bugs, and we got some really nice cars here tonight.
We'd like to thank Flitz for donating some great stuff, Flitz car wash and car stuff. All right. All right, he took the Flitz. He took the Flitz stuff. There you go.
There you go.
All right.